Hello students, Standard 5th subject Mathematics. Chapter 5 Fractions. Students, today we will learn how to compare fractions. In last lecture we learned about like and unlike fractions. Now the next topic is comparing like fractions. Let us understand this concept with the help of example. See, in the given figure, a strip was divided into 5 equal parts. Means total parts of strip are 5 and each part is 1 upon 5. Some parts are colored and colored part is 3 upon 5 and white part is 2 upon 5. The colored part is more compared to white part. So the colored part is bigger than the white part and this is written as 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 5. Next example for comparing like fraction. See, in this example, a strip was divided into 8 equal parts. 3 of the parts have red color and 4 have yellow colors. In fraction, each part is written as 1 upon 8 and red part is 3 upon 8. Yellow part is 4 upon 8. The yellow colored part is more compared to red colored part. So the yellow colored part is bigger than the red colored part and this is written as 4 upon 8 is greater than 3 upon 8. Fractions are like fractions. So compare the numerator. The fraction with the bigger numerator is the bigger fraction. So in like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater fraction. Comparing fractions with equal numerators. For example, look at the figure. All the strips in the figure are same in size. In first strip, total parts are 3 and 2 of the 3 equal parts of the strip are shaded. So write in fraction 2 upon 3. Second strip is divided in 4 equal parts and 2 of the 4 equal parts of the strip are shaded. And in third strip divided into 5 equal parts and 2 of the 5 equal parts of the strip are shaded. So the shaded portions are 2 upon 3, 2 upon 4 and 2 upon 5. So the figure shows that 2 upon 3 is greater than 2 upon 4 and 2 upon 4 is greater than 2 upon 5. It means of two fractions with equal numerators, the fraction with the greater denominator is the smaller fraction. Comparing unlike fractions. Now we will compare unlike fraction. See this example. Compare 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. See, in both the fractions, denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions. Now first we convert this unlike fraction into like fraction and then we compare both the fractions. So these unlike fractions are converted into like fractions. Fractions are 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5 converting into like fraction. See, the denominator of both the fractions are 3 and 5. So the number 15 is the multiple of both 3 and 5. It means 15 is divided by 3 and 15 is also divided by 5. 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. So we make 15 as a common denominator. Now first write the first fraction, that is 2 upon 3. Now we convert this 3 into 15. 2 multiplied with 5 and 3 multiplied with 5. 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Now 2 upon 3 is equal to 10 upon 15. Now the denominator is the first fraction is now 15. Now write the second fraction, that is 3 upon 5. Now we convert this denominator into 15. So we multiplied 5 with 3. And if 5 multiplied with 3, so 3 also multiplied with 3. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. So 9 upon 15. Now 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 upon 15. Now see that first fraction 2 upon 3 is equal to 10 upon 15 and second fraction 3 upon 5 is equal to 9 upon 15. Both the fractions are equivalent fractions of 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. Now 10 upon 15 and second fraction is 9 upon 15. Now compare both the fractions. Which one is bigger? See, denominators are same. So we compare the numerators. 10 is bigger. So 10 upon 15 is bigger than 9 upon 15. Or 9 upon 15 is less than 10 upon 15. So 10 upon 15 is equivalent to 2 upon 3 and 9 upon 15 is equivalent to 3 upon 5. So 2 upon 3 is greater than 3 upon 5. By solving this example, we came to know that to compare unlike fractions, we convert them into their equivalent fractions so that their denominators are the same. It means when we compare two unlike fractions, first convert them into equivalent fractions and make them like fractions. Like fractions means same denominator, and then compare their numerators. Now let's solve problem set 19. Write the proper symbol from less than, greater than or equal to in the box. Now see the first one. First fraction is 3 upon 7 and second one also 3 upon 7. So both the fractions are same. So we put here equal to sign. 3 upon 7 equal 3 upon 7. Now the second 3 upon 8 and 2 upon 8. Now see, both the fractions denominator are same. So we compare the numerators. Which numerator is greater? 3 is greater. So we put greater than sign. 3 upon 8 is bigger than 2 upon 8. Now third, 2 upon 11 and 10 upon 11. Again, both the denominators are same. So we compare the numerators. Which numerator is bigger? 10 is bigger. So we write here 10 upon 11 is bigger than 2 upon 11. Fourth one, 5 upon 15 and 10 upon 30. See, the first fraction's denominator is 15 and second one is 30. So both the denominators are different. It means a unlike fraction. Now we convert into like fraction. So like fractions have both the denominators are same. See, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So we make 30 as the common denominator for both the fractions. So first we write 5 upon 15 as it is, and 15 multiplied 2. It means 52s are 30. So 5 also multiplied with 2. 5 2s are 10 and 15 2s are 30. So 5 upon 15 is equal to 10 upon 30. See, now 5 upon 15 is equal to 10 upon 30, and 10 upon 30 is equal to 10 upon 30. 10 upon 30 is equal to 10 upon 30. So here we put equal to sign. Now fifth one, 5 upon 8 and 5 upon 9. Now compare both the fractions. Here in both the fractions, numerators are same, and we have already learned that fractions whose numerators are same and denominators are different, the fraction with greater denominator is smaller. So whose denominator is greater? So 5 upon 9. Here 9 is bigger than 8. So this one is, so 5 upon 9 is smaller and 5 upon 8 is bigger. So 5 upon 8 is bigger than 5 upon 9. Now sixth one. First fraction is 4 upon 7 and second one 4 upon 11. See, here in both the fractions, numerator are same. So again we apply the same rule. Here 11 is bigger. So if denominator is bigger, it means the fraction is smaller. And this one denominator is smaller. So this fraction is bigger compared to this one. So we here put 4 upon 7 is bigger than 4 upon 11. Seventh one. First fraction is 10 upon 11 and second is 10 upon 13. Here both the numerators are same. So 10 upon 11 is bigger than 10 upon 13 because the denominator of second fraction is bigger. So this one is smaller compared to this one. Now eighth one. 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 9. Similarly, now compare these fractions. Which one is bigger? Yes, 1 upon 5 is bigger than 1 upon 9. Now, ninth one. First fraction is 5 upon 6 and second 1 upon 8. Now compare both the fractions. See, in both the fractions, denominators are different and numerators are also different. So, in this question, we make both the fractions convert into like fraction. And in like fractions, denominator should be same. Now, we find out a common denominator for both the fractions. See, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18 and 6 4 ja 24. And 24 also come in the table of 8. So we make 24 as a common denominator for both the numbers 6 and 8. Now we write 5 upon 6 is equal to, we convert 6 into 24. 6 multiplied with 4. 6 4s are 24. So 5 also multiplied with 4. 5 4s are 20. Now 5 upon 6 is equal to 20 upon 24. Now the next fraction is 1 upon 8. Here denominator 8 is also make as a denominator 24. So write 1 upon 8 is equal to, and 8 convert into 24. So 8 multiplied with 3. 8 3s are 24. 1 also multiplied with 3. 1 3s are 3. So 1 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 24. See, 5 upon 6 is equal to 20 upon 24. So we write here 20 upon 24. And 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8 is equal to 3 upon 24. See, now in both the fractions, if first fraction's numerator is 20 and second one is 3. So which one is bigger? 20 upon 24 is bigger than 3 upon 24. And 20 upon 24 is equal to 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 is bigger than 1 upon 8. Now in 10th one, 5 upon 12 and 1 upon 6. See, in both the fractions, denominators are different and numerators are also different. So we make the same denominator for both the fraction. See, 12 ones are 12 and 6 twos are 12. So we make 12 as a common denominator for both the fraction. So 5 upon 12, here already 12 as a denominator. So we will not change the denominator of first fraction. And in the second one, 1 upon 6. We make the 1 multiplied with 2 and 6 also multiplied with 2. 2 ones are 2 and 6 twos are 12. Now 1 upon 6 is equal to 2 upon 12. 1 upon 6 is equal to 2 upon 12. So our new fractions are 5 upon 12 and second is 2 upon 12. Now see, both the denominators are same. So which numerator is bigger? 5 is bigger. So 5 upon 12 is greater than 2 upon 12. It means 5 upon 12 is bigger than 1 upon 6. Thank you, students.